This is a top 3 hiring mistake. Don't hire just one person, hire 2. Because if you hire 2, what's going to be able to happen is one's probably not going to work out, one probably will. You're going to put the same amount of time into training no matter what. So hire in 2s. Okay, you're going to hire a dispatcher, hire 2. If you can't afford to have 2 of them for 90 days, then should you make that hire? If you're that strapped for cash, if your cash flow is that tight, should you even make that hire in the first place? Again, just know that one's probably not going to work out. So if you hire in 2s, or just think of always having a backup. So maybe you hire someone, but then you promote someone up at the same time to that role, and then you train them both on the processes at the same time. But really think about hiring in 2s, and it's not more training time. It might slightly be, but you're saving so much more time because you're not going to be left for dead if somebody turns over.